Do you know that scoring 8 plus band in IELTS listening section is really very easy? I know it sounds crazy because we are so used to of hearing so many myths that revolves around the listening section day in and day out. As it is really very important, that's why I am here today to share my PLBS strategy that will totally change the way you see the listening section preparation. So let's unlock the roadmap to 8 plus band in your IELTS listening section, a framework which will not only encourage you but also give you the confidence and the necessary skills that are prerequisite for the 8 plus band in your listening section. In this video, I am going to talk about the myths that revolves around the listening section. Then we'll see the 4-step framework which will boost your listening score. Then we'll talk about the performance progress chart. And lastly, we'll summarize all the action plan that we discussed in this video. Always remember, the mind is just like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets and the more it can expand. So let's begin. I can truly understand the myths we hear around the listening section are too strong to ignore. Some of the myths are on the screen. I don't understand the accent. English is not my first language. My family or work environment is not supportive. Only native speaker can score 8 plus in listening. I don't get time to study with job. It's tedious to listen and mark the answers simultaneously. And it is impossible to score 8 plus in listening section. And so on. Now let's discuss my PLBS strategy. It's my 4-step framework which will help you to get at least 8 plus band in IELTS listening section. PLBS stands for pick a topic, listen the topic, brainstorm the topic, and lastly summarize the topic. In step 1, you are going to pick a topic of your interest. For example, be it art, culture, science, technology, and so on. Preferably, you should look for any content with the subtitles available. The duration of the content should be at least 10 minutes and maximum 30 minutes. In step 2, you are actually going to listen the topic. And while listening, I recommend that you should turn off the subtitles and start noting down all the important phrases, vocabulary, and the information which you consider is important while listening. In step 3, we are going to brainstorm the topic. And how do we do that? Once you are done with the listening, you can now cross-check or reread the phrases, vocabulary, or other information which you wrote down in step 2. You can even cross-check with the subtitles to confirm the spellings or the usage of the correct words. Even you can try to find the synonyms of these words. Lastly is the step 4, where we are going to summarize the topic. Here, it's time to write down the summarized version of whatever you heard and remember. You can start writing in the bullet points about the topic you heard. To start with, you can write in any order. But I'll suggest that as you progress, you should write in the same order as you heard the recording. What's the next step then? After having done step 1 to step 4, it's time to repeat the PLBS strategy next day with the new amazing topic of your interest. Now, the question here is where to find these new topic every day. To start with, I'll recommend listening to the TED Talks, and you can go to tedtalks.com and you'll find amazing topics to listen every day. Apart from the TED Talk, you can refer to these many sources for your PLBS exercise. Documentary movies or series. You can also go to YouTube. You can have National Geography or the Discovery website. You can watch English movies. You can refer Netflix, Amazon Prime. You can listen to the podcast, BBC website, and so on. Now let's talk about on how to track the progress of your PLBS strategies. I strongly recommend that you should maintain an online or offline log of all the 4 steps for listening exercises in 4 categories. The first category is type of content you listen. I strongly suggest that on every day you should pick the different content so that after 15 days of doing the PLBS strategy, you are exposed to different experiences, different ideas, and different content. Second category involves your vocabulary, phrases, and the words you kept on adding to your list. Third comes the summarized version of your topic. And lastly, you need to highlight, circle, or mark up all the promising ideas of the content that you practiced during the PLBS strategy. Let's unlock the desired results which we are going to get after 15 days of dedicated practice of PLBS strategies. The results are, you'll be introduced to different speaking accents. You'll be introduced to new words, phrases, collocations, and so on. You'll be more confident. You'll be able to concentrate better on the English language. You'll turn expert in paraphrasing the ideas. You'll be more focused. You'll be introduced to different topics, ideas, and conversations. And last but not least, you'll be a better performer, or you're closer to your 8+ band score in IELTS listening section. And friends, these amazing results doesn't end here. Also, you'll have more content for your writing section. You'll have better understanding for the reading section. You'll have greater vocabulary for the speaking section. So friends, what are you waiting for? Pick up the topic and start practicing PLBS strategy right now. Hey friends, what are you waiting for? Pick up any topic and start practicing PLBS strategy right now. If you have any feedback regarding the content, please visit my Facebook page. It's fb.com/unlockielts-with-richa. And for more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. All the best.